Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your Truecaller and free. So let's get started. At first remove this and let's go to provide how can easily full setup. Open your Play Store, go to search option, search set to Truecaller. Person to install. Okay, alright, now successfully install this. Just open Truecaller and need to set up. Press on to get start. If you want to change language, to select, press on get start. Select and set as default. Click on to continue. Allow. Okay, now it's verified. Click on continue with Google and enter first name and last name and enter an email address. Press on to continue. Okay, then I'm get this option, but I'm not use premium version. Just press on to not now. Okay, and close this. Now it's set up. As you can see, now successfully set up without premium, and this is a free version. So that's it.